Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Before the video begins, please like, subscribe, share and comment because it really helps with the algorithm. Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you the best SEO tips to get more views on YouTube in real time. First tip is front loading your keyword. So see this video now. It's YouTube, how to get more views. So my target keyword is YouTube. So I'm going to put that in the first bit of the sentence. YouTube pays more attention to that specific word. Next is say your keyword in your video. So my video now, the title on this is how to get more views on YouTube. So I'm going to say how to get more views on YouTube. That it has more views. That gives you more views as well. Let's see. Next tip, write very good descriptions. When you write very good descriptions, that shows YouTube that you put a lot of care, effort and passion into your videos. So there are 3 actionable tips for ranking on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next video. Peace out.